I'm not gonna front, bro. This move right here probably stopped a lot of people out. A lot of people probably thought it was gonna go back bullish simply because me said, nah, pretty much I mark this zone and probably find like some type of demand. Go on a 30-minute. Okay, on the 30-minute, we got a demand right here.
I'm gonna get on the markets. If I see my setup, I'll take the trade. If I don't see nothing, then I just simply won't trade. We're not forcing nothing. We ain't doing none of the extra shit. You gotta keep getting more accounts, keep passing those accounts, scaling those accounts up. Like, that shit could take time. That shit could take months. It could even really take years to scale your account up to the point where you getting these big payouts.
Nigga, I'm dealing with problems, I gotta get through it. I'm hearing voices in my head, and I've been going through pain. I cannot believe all of the shit that you said. I make them sick from the way that I run up the money. They wish they could cut off my legs. All of my real niggas in the streets was starving. Gotta make sure that they fed. Remember days I was trapping apartments. Yeah, nigga gon' get it regardless. Mama, look at what your baby done started. Gotta get it, I'm going my hardest. When I'm popping my shit and I ice.
YouTube, what is good? We are back with another video, y'all. It is currently Monday, March 24th, you know what I'm saying? And we back on these charts pretty much. On Friday, we had started off a fresh, brand new 25K account. And we had won our first trade, you know what I'm saying? Put us up about $360. So today, on Monday, I'm pretty much trying to continue where I left off, keep growing this account, you know what I'm saying? But it is obviously Monday. Mondays be kind of slow, you know what I'm saying? So I ain't about to approach the market super aggressive today. I'm a little conservative, but if I do see a valid setup, I'm gonna take it. It's as simple as that. And if I don't see nothing, then I'm just not gonna take a trade, y'all. So that's pretty much what's going on today. My last video is my first video in like a month, so I'm just trying to get back to consistency, you know what I'm saying? Get back in this algorithm and just get back dropping for y'all. Without further ado, I don't really got much to say today. Let's go hit these charts. All right, y'all, the charts is marked up. And honestly, right now, we really don't got shit on none of these pairs, but just to go through them real quick, gold, we got our sell zone up here, buy zone down here. Pretty small window. It came wicked under the zone, and now it's going back up. So gold probably end up pushing up to here, honestly, and then we'll get like a bigger window to play in. That's what I'm hoping at least, but shit really be unpredictable. You know what I'm saying? I'm just pretty much waiting. And then NASDAQ, we got pretty much little to no window right here, and then a couple sell zones. So NASDAQ, I'm honestly anticipating the break probably up to here. Then I could delete all these, and then we'll have this zone to play in, you know what I'm saying, from here all the way up to there. That'll be our window. You feel me? But as of right now, it's only 9/11 too, y'all. The 9:30, the stock exchange ain't even open yet, so I'm pretty much still just waiting. And then all the indices, y'all know them should be similar. US 30, small ass window, waiting for it to break up or break down to create, you know what I'm saying, better opportunity. And then SPX, same shit, sell zone, buy zone. Probably wait for it to break down in here or like up to here, some shit, and create a bigger window to play in, y'all. So not much going on right now. It is Monday, it is early, you know what I'm saying? So just bear with me. Should probably look a little better later. And if not, then we just simply won't trade. So that's what it is today, y'all. All right, so the stock exchange just opened, y'all. US 30 just went crazy, but as y'all can see, it's still staying pretty much in its range. Okay, now to our buy zone, gave us this crazy ass wick. Now it's probably gonna, it's honestly probably gonna push up now, just based off of this crazy ass candle, this crazy ass wick. I could see it probably pushing up. So, but we do got news though. We got 9:45 news, you feel me? It is 9:35, as y'all can see. So I'm not gonna take no trade till after news, pretty much. So this NASDAQ, or this SPX right here, yeah, it's just, I don't really like trading these small ass windows and shit, just, you know what I'm saying? I just need a little bit more price action right now. Probably wait to just see what news do, and then we'll get back to it. All right, y'all, so gold ended up breaking lower, you feel me? And then we ended up coming right back up into the sell zone. So right now I'm just waiting for liquidity grab up here or liquidity grab down here, or let's go make like some new liquidity like right here maybe, then I'll wait for this liquidity grab. But right now I'm just waiting for some type of liquidity to be grabbed, because that's pretty much what we need right now. And then I'll see if we can get a setup on gold. And then as far as Nas 100, Nas trying to break up like I said it was. So waiting for Nas to come grab some liquidity here, and then this should probably be our new window. And then as far as US 30 also trying to break up. grab liquidity up here. This is only get deleted. We'll have this big ass window to play in. And then SPX just broke up as well. Liquidity sitting up here. You know what I'm saying? Got a nice little window to play in. So shit trying to set up, but it is slow. It's 10 o'clock right now. I'm gonna stay on for about another hour. And if I don't see nothing, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this shit up. And then I gotta go to work at 12 o'clock, y'all. So I'm just gonna wait and see. So it's like 10:30 right now. Gold finally dropping to the next zone. I could have possibly predicted this drop just because everything was lining up with the EMA. It was downtrending on the 5 minute, but if you go to the 1 hour, you feel me? Let me zoom out just a little bit. So in the 1 hour, price had basically made a lower high right here, came down, broke structure. Okay, cool. So then we came back up and made this low. You feel me? So you feel me? I pretty much thought it would have continued down more if it did want to continue the downtrend, but it had made a low right here. You feel me? A lower low right here, and then you feel me? It came back up and broke structure. So that pretty much it like bugged me up a little bit. You feel me? I ain't really know if it want to go down or up, and I don't really trade off of the trend anyways, because that shit be, as y'all can see, the shit broke structure to the upside and then continue back down. That shit probably stopped. I'm not gonna front, bro. This move right here probably stopped a lot of people out. A lot of people probably thought it was gonna go back bullish simply because we was breaking back above. We already above the 200 EMA. We was breaking back above the 100 EMA, you feel me? And then the shit came back down and never broke this low right here, you know what I'm saying? It had made a lower low and then ended up breaking structure to the upside. So a lot of people probably thought the shit was gonna go back bullish just for it to end up dropping, you feel me? That's why I basically trade every possibility, whether it's going up, whether it's going down, you feel me? As long as I get my setup, I'm cool. And this shit's still dropping, so now I delete this zone right here. You feel me? Boom, and now it's down there. But yeah, that's just a little how I'm pretty much was looking at this shit. So, you know what I'm saying? So now we got this zone down here, you feel me? So now I pretty much mark this zone and probably find like some type of demand. Go on a 30 minute, okay, on the 30 minute we got a demand right here. So these will pretty much be my next two zones now. And then I'll probably, let me delete all this because all this shit is irrelevant now. I'm pretty much just showing y'all how I just go about trading. So now I'll drag this down here, you know what I'm saying, to this supply zone. And then this will pretty much be my new window. And this is gold. And then as far as indices, you know what I'm saying, indices getting ready to make a run down. So if this come break to 61 in the next about 25 minutes, I'll take this trade, you feel me? And then pretty much the same shit. SPX kind of high up into the zone. I don't really, I kind of like Nas, you know what I'm saying? Nas looking like what it is right now. So I'll just wait for the break of the 61, see if we get a setup on Nas. Other than that, it's probably gonna be a dub for today. It's only about 25 minutes left in my trading day. You know what I'm saying? So if I don't get no setup, I'll wrap this shit up, y'all. And then on top of that, to add what I previously was saying, we got the head and shoulders right here. That was an indication it could be flipping back bullish. And then if you go on the 4 hour, the shit came down, made a higher low, same shit. Broke structure to the upside right here, same shit. And this is on the 4 hour. So being that this shit happened on the 1 hour and the 4 hour, a lot of people probably thought this should have flipped bullish. I'm not gonna front. We above the EMA, it's just mad bullish confluences and the shit still dropped. That's why I don't really trade based on confluences and trend like too much. Like I kind of want to wait for that lower time frame confirmation to just tell me it's going to my next zone. I feel like that's the most, you feel me? That's just what worked the best for me. You feel me? I'm gonna just say it like that.
So today was a no trade day, y'all. You know what I'm saying? I ain't see my setup, so I just simply ain't trade. It ain't even really no explanation. That shit explains itself. Tomorrow, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna get on the markets. If I see my setup, I'll take the trade. If I don't see nothing, then I just simply won't trade. We not forcing nothing. We ain't doing none of the extra shit. You feel me? But as of right now, though, you know what I'm saying, I did just get off of work. I had worked a quick 12 to 4. And then just a little 4-hour shift, you know what I'm saying? Nothing too crazy. And then now I'm about to DoorDash, make me a couple more dollars. You feel me? Like I said in my last video, I do have a birthday coming up, and I got to get to this paper, so it ain't even too much to talk about. Let's get straight to it. Alright, y'all, so real quick, I just want to touch on something. And I basically just want to tell y'all that if you just not getting into trading, please don't think it's a get-rich-quick scheme, or like you just gonna get on here and just make $100,000, $1 million overnight. You know what I'm saying? And I know everybody kind of say that, but I kind of just want to put it more into perspective. Because if you don't got a lot of capital to start off with, off rip, and obviously if you're not profitable, it's gonna take a while to build up that capital to the point where you're getting 5-figure, 6-figure payouts. You feel me? Like, just starting off, if you get one funded account, you probably could be making like $2,000-$3,000 a payout. But you gotta keep scaling that account up. You gotta keep getting more accounts, keep passing those accounts, scaling those accounts up. Like, that shit could take time. That shit could take months. It could even really take years to scale your account up to the point where you getting these big payouts. You feel me? So y'all really just gotta have a lot of patience when it comes to this. I kind of started off thinking that I was just gonna just grab all these funded accounts and pass them all at once, and it's like, yeah, it's possible, but the shit really not likely. You feel me? You gotta at least have some type of capital, at least like $10,000-$20,000 to play with. Then that's when it could become a little easier. But once you really trying to build this shit up from the bottom, it really could take a while to grow your capital, to grow your account to the point where you're getting big payouts. You feel me? So just stick with it, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Just keep trading. Try to take the best setups, because them losing streaks, them shit, they're gonna happen. We can't avoid them, but them losing streaks can set you back a little bit, which can make the process even longer. So just prepare yourself for the losses. Just prepare yourself for a long journey. You feel me? This shit take time, y'all. This shit ain't gonna happen overnight. And I don't want new traders to get on here expecting that. If you expecting to get on here and this shit about to move like the crack game or some shit, like, you gonna make way more money in the long run. You're gonna make, you know what I'm saying, and it's more worth it. But the shit ain't gonna just happen like that off rip, y'all. So just stay down, stay patient. Shit gonna happen. I'm about to get ready to wrap up soon, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. Hey, where the fuck my car at? Oh, tripping. Yeah, I'm about to ready to, I'm bugging the fuck out, y'all. Yeah, I'm about ready to wrap this shit up, though. I'm not gonna lie. Been a long day. A long day. All right, y'all, that will be the end of the vlog. I'm about to get ready to take it in. I'm tired as hell, y'all. Today was a no trade day, though. You feel me? Ain't really too much to talk about. Hopefully tomorrow we do catch a setup, but if not, I ain't forcing nothing. And that's just how I'm coming from now on. You feel me? With that being said, though, I'm gonna catch y'all next video.